Have you ever ordered something online and just praying so hard that you won't be conned? Well, that was my situation when I ordered some of my items from Shiquo that came from China. This unboxing is overdue. So we're going to unbox my first batch of the items that I received. And let me show you. So I got a grain storage bucket, or rather dispenser, as you can see. And then this slow juicer, I have another juicer, but I just wanted another different type because the other one is a little bit stressful to use. So I ordered a slow juicer. You know when you want to upgrade your kitchen. So let's start with, I think we start with the storage, grain storage dispenser. So the slow juicer was 4,200, and the cereal storage dispenser was 1,250. Sorry, it was 1,250. Both these two items, I paid a shipment cost of 3,662 shillings. Juicer 4,200, cereal storage dispenser 1,250. The shipment cost for both is 3,662. So let's unbox. I just wanted to have something that I'll be able to just get my cereals in one place, not having different storage containers. And it came like this. Ooh. And it is white. So it's fine. This is the lid. And it is rotatable, or rather it rotates. Ooh, how cool is that? Not sure the capacity of it. I think it's 2 kgs and it has 6 compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how it works, see here, this is what collects your cereals from here, then it just collects here. So I think you press it here. So if I want to get cereals, I think that's here, just release and you're able to collect your cereals here. So we'll be testing it some other time. Happy, and I can't wait to actually put my cereals in it. Very functionable. So all the containers ahead are going to be having some rays, and this helps me to utilize the space in my kitchen. The slow juicer, I can't wait to start using it. So it comes with this brush, I think, for cleaning. The brush. So this slow juicer came in, I think, in pieces, and probably I need to put them together, but let's see. I think I have to turn it like this. I hope it's already fully functional, that I don't have to do any installation in it. So here is the instruction manual. Ooh. And there we have it. Oh my god. Red in color. And it's so heavy. Ooh. It doesn't really need a lot of assembling because the thing. Oh, these are the jars. So it has these two jars. This is the other part of, I think, completing, and it's very heavy. I guess that's why the shipment is a little bit higher. That makes it complete. And then this one collects the juice here. The other one collects the churn on the other side. So here is the manual, the instruction manual. So this one is called the hopper. I think it's like the house where you put all the ingredients, and this the pusher. After you feed in the fruits there, and then this one goes down like this. You see, you just put the fruit, then you keep on pushing with this pusher. Then you have the auger here. This is the auger that now will be moving. It picks the fruits, then it takes it down to be crushed down there. Then this is the entire system of this juicer. Then this is, I think, you turn it on and off. On, I think off. So I can't wait to try the juicer itself. I have the other one, but I didn't like it. But I will be doing the testing of this juicer, and I'll share the video. And then at some point I'll do the comparison of the two. Mainly I just want to see the amount of juice I'll extract using the same amount of a certain fruit at that time. See which one is more effective, and I'll share the results. So I can't wait to try this. I can't say so much because I haven't used it, but until I try, then I can really give my reviews. But it's very easy to use, honestly, very easy to use. So looking forward to more days of enjoying fresh juice just from my kitchen. And this brush, very functionable. So that's it for the first items that I received from Shiquo. Again, this was 4,200, and the grain storage dispenser was 1250, and the total cost for the shipment of both was 3,306. I'll be sharing the reviews of both, so stay tuned.